At Authlogics, we've got a journey plan which you can look at from wherever you are as an organization in that journey. So as the roadmap goes, we have the concept of getting your current passwords in a compliant state to sort of fix up the legacy mess that you've probably accumulated over the years and get you to a point that you're compliant with the NIST 2017 regulations. So it doesn't get rid of the problem of passwords, but it gets you to a more secure, manageable state, which will significantly lower your risk profile on the internet today. The next step in that journey is to say, well, how do we secure beyond just having a password? So this is where technologies like multi-factor authentication come in. So there's a lot of companies out there promoting various kinds of multi-factor authentication, but we feel it's important to bridge that gap from the password mess we're in today towards having multi-factor. So there's a bit of a bridge that needs to be built there. So we have that in our solution. There's a nice migration path from having just a mess of passwords to having multi-factor. But multi-factor just adds extra security. Some users might think it adds complexity. We do have various multi-factor authentication technologies in our product suite, so users can pick and choose, or administrators can choose what they want to use. But it's all a step to get you to the end of the road where you don't have passwords. So our end goal in our solution is to get you to the passwordless world. So with some of our multi-factor authentication options, we don't require the use of a password at all in them. So if you can imagine a journey going from having a password mess to having more secure with multi-factor to the third step of only using the multi-factor without passwords, you've now completed that whole end-to-end journey. And it's up to you as an organization to decide how quickly you want the journey to be, what speed you want to bring different applications along that journey, because some will be easier than others. So it's not, as I said, it's not just a switch you flick and suddenly I've got rid of passwords, but you need to have a plan of how you get every application, every system to that destination of no passwords.